Alright, my friends, so it's time for us to work with another method of the array methods that we have started with. And in this video, I'm going to focus on the filter because it has really amazing use cases. And I want you to understand that how we can mix using a filter and with the map in one example. So this is really handy use case, and you are going to see it once you are starting to implement, for example, even React applications. Okay, so when you are start to implementing the filtering functionality, so you will see first of all you are gonna filter the items inside your array, then you are gonna map through the filtered items. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here and our example right here, it is to render. Here we have an array of ages. Okay, I have created this behind the scenes so we can focus on our goal, okay, which is to understand the filter method right here. All right, and what I want you to do, it is to go ahead and loop through this array right here and take out the values that are higher than 18. Okay, so this is your goal. I want you to take any age, okay, any age that is higher than 18 and render it to the screen with h1. All right, and let's get started. So the first thing first, what I want you to do, or what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new array. Okay, I'm going to call it older ages, let's say. Okay, it's equal to the old array, which is the ages array dot filter. I'm gonna filter them. Okay, this is a method right here, so that's why I have added these parentheses. And this method right here take a function as a callback. Okay, so I can pass my function like so. It is my arrow function. Okay, we have it like so. This is the function. Let me give us some space so we can see clearly what we are going to do. Okay, so this is the function that it is passed as a parameter. Now once again, this function by itself take a parameter so we can access these values. So, and I can get rid of these parentheses optionally, as I have told you previously. I'm gonna call it age. You can call it X, Y, Z, whatever. I'm gonna call it age because it is really a best practice that you are gonna follow. It is to add a descriptive names. Okay, and what I want to do, I'm gonna return, okay, I'm gonna return age, which has all these values. Okay, so I'm gonna type age that is higher than 18. Very simple. So once again, we are taking our array, which is the filter, or the previous array, which is ages dot filter. We are gonna filter them. Okay, and in order for us to access these values, we have this parameter right here, and this function right here will get executed for each item. Okay, so I'm going to return any age that is greater than 18. All right, my friends. Now, let me show you a shorter syntax for this one right here. So I'm going to create constant. Let's call it, for example, okay, just short, like so. It is equal to ages, okay, dot filter. Okay, I'm gonna type age. I'm gonna type age here. I'm gonna explain that, don't worry, in a second. Just let me write the code. It is higher than 18. So what you can see right here, it is exactly matching this thing right here. Okay, so what I have did, this is a shorter syntax. Once you have a code like this, okay, where you are just gonna go ahead and filter a very simple filtering algorithm. For example, we only want to filter that age that is higher than 18. Then you can use this syntax right here, which is we can go ahead and remove this brackets right here. Okay, we do not need it because we only have one line. If you only have one line of code, then you can get rid of these brackets. Okay, and also you need to remove the return keyword. Okay, so I'm gonna remove it like so. I'm gonna go back to a one line like so. So as you can see what we have did, if you only have one line, you can use this syntax right here. And of course, so you can, of course, you can revert it back if you do not like this new syntax. Okay, I'm gonna leave the option for you. I'm gonna delete this one right here. It is just was for demonstration purposes. All right, so we have a new array right here, okay, that is holding only the ages that are higher than 18. Okay, now what I can do here inside my div that I have it right here, what I will do, I will go ahead and execute some JavaScript. So I need my brackets, and what I will do, I will loop through my new array, and I'm gonna display an h1 for each age. So I'm gonna type all their ages dot map. Okay, we have the age. Okay, and we can do the exact same thing right here. So age equal our this arrow right here, and here I'm gonna return an h1 with the age. Okay, so like so, we have it right here. If we take a look on the web browser, we have 32 and 45, which is the only ages that are higher than 18. Once again, if you are wondering where I came with this syntax, let me show you the previous way. So all their ages dot map, and we can type age, and we can execute our arrow function, and I'm gonna return this thing right here. So these are two syntax that you can follow. This is the shorter one, and this is the longer one. Feel free to choose whatever you want, and to prove that for you, I'm gonna comment this one. So we are getting the exact same result. Hopefully that makes sense. This is the filter method, which is really handy. And do not worry, in the next video where we are gonna finish the find method, I'm gonna give you a challenge to I'm gonna show you actually a complicated challenge where you are gonna mix all these and where they come very handy. So hopefully that makes sense. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in another one.